Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on my last video I was supposed to introduce myself properly, but I think I didn't really do that, so I'll be making it up here. So actually my name is Silas. So on this video I'm going to be talking about how I started trading, like where I heard of Forex, the first time I heard of Forex, and how everything. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So here once again, my name is Silas. So how I first heard of Forex trading is from an influencer, actually a Kungu or something, a Kungu, an influencer. So he was on an interview with this female forex trader, Fresh Bay Forex. So yeah, so after watching the interview, I just felt like yes, I should dive into it. So I started looking for a mentor. Actually, I started looking for a mentor series of week. Like I used like actually 1 month. That was around March. So within that whole March, I was watching YouTube videos. Then April, I found a mentor and started learning from April. Like I started face to face learning from a mentor during April. But before finding a mentor, I went to YouTube. Like I was watching YouTube videos, and noting down some points. I kept watching YouTube video till I finally got a mentor. After getting the mentor, I went through their profile and everything. So I did my research on the mentor. I saw their socials. I did everything. So when I finally got a mentor, that is FX. So I did everything, got qualified. So I started learning from him. Actually, it's not a physical class though, it's an online class, because he was actually holding only online classes. So I started learning from him, though he was mentoring me. We were having lessons, and I actually loved the fact that everything was like his strategy, price action strategy. Like it's not complicated. It's not complicated. Actually, it's not complicated. So I like the fact that it's not complicated, just very simple, keeping the charts plain. So started learning the basics and fundamentals of Forex trading gradually. And after learning like for 1 month, so I started trading. I've been demo trading and learning. So I said, let me enter into a live account. I ventured into a live account. So as I started trading live account, with 0.01 lot size, after some time, like April, May, for like 2 months or so, I decided to enter his signal group. So actually on that signal group, I was like taking the signals and trading. Actually made profit from his signal group. Like after 2 trades, I just took 2 trades from his signal group, and that was when I made $100, like my first $100. But I didn't really take it like as my first, because I followed somebody else's signal. So what I consider as my own is the one like I did everything from scratch. So I made that $100, and take note, in the next trade I was actually moving down $100 to 200. Like the trade was running, running into 200 plus. Then boom, I never know that time I never like I knew about the fundamentals. I knew about news, but I didn't really know like how to check and all that. So news came up, and that was how I blew the account. News came up and everything. My stop loss was like more than my equity. It was more than my balance. So the news blew the account. That was how I lost that one. And for like 1 week I was imagining, look how easy it was. Like $100 just gone in split of some minutes. So I decided to calm down and go back to those teachings. Like went back to rewatch those teachings of last month before entering the next month, because the lesson was like a 3-month lesson. So basic, intermediate and mastered. So that is, I was in intermediate when I blew the account. So I decided that I was going to now like leave the signals and like learn the thing myself. Like, you know this popular saying, don't give me fish, instead teach me how to fish. Yeah, I just wanted, even though when it's not around or nobody around, I can just on my own go to my chat, analyze, place a trade and watch it run. So that is when I left his signal. That is when I stopped taking his signal. I started analyzing the chart, like taking personal trade. Like I stopped taking signals. That's when I stopped taking signals and started practicing what I have learned. So like I was taking series of losses. Like I remember when I funded on a Naira account, actually I funded 20,000, and like I was getting series of losses, back to back losses. I showed him. He didn't really say much. He just said that I should continue and give it time. And like he checked the trades. There are some mistakes that I made. So I continued learning. So gradually I started seeing results. I started getting profit. Not like profit. No, like profits, I get some loss, profits, get some. So that's 20,000 naira. Like I traded it, like it was up to, I took it down up to 9,000 before I started getting, before I started improving. So started improving, and I took that 9,000 back up to 44,000 naira. Then I withdraw, like I withdraw half. I withdrawed 24 and left that 20 that was actually there. So losses. And when I started getting those results, like my wins were larger than my losses. When I took the account to 44, I withdraw 24 and just kept it there, leave the 20 there. So that is when I like start getting confidence and backtesting. But I don't really backtest a lot because I know that is why I'm having some issue though, backtesting. So that is it when I started getting results. So like I started being more confident on that my trading strategy. When I started being more confident on the strategy, that is my strategy, a price action strategy. I would rather call it PEX strategy, because yes, like I said before, Perfect PEX is my mentor. You can go and check him up on IG, on YouTube. So I like use his strategy, the PEX strategy. So that's it. So after making progress under my Naira account, like I decided to purchase a prop firm. So I just knew that the next step was prop firm. Like I need to like practice more on prop firm. And I was actually having, like I know where I'm lagging behind is backtesting. I don't really like backtesting, but I'm trying to improve on it. Backtesting, psychology, my risk management, I'm actually, or I would say I'm actually trying though. So it's just that psychology and backtesting, like backtest more regularly. So that's it. Then I ventured into Profem where I purchased the Profem account. I will be documenting that on my next video or one of my next video, and I will also be dropping how I made and blew that $100 account. Yeah, so that's it guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be dropping more videos on this channel. So please like, subscribe and share. Thanks. Peace out.